All right, y'all seen that title in the thumbnail, and we about to get busy in the kitchen today with this quick and easy recipe. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Philly cheesesteak tortellini, but with provolone cheese sauce. Man, that cheese sauce delicious. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's go over these ingredients real quick. Also, you can find the measurements and all these ingredients on my new website, ijustcookalot.com, or you can go to allwingseverything.com and you'll find these ingredients. So we're gonna briefly go over it. We have our steak here. We thinly sliced it like this. We have our tortellinis here. We have our milk, our peppers and onions, some provolone cheese, olive oil, oregano, salt and pepper, flour, butter, and some chopped garlic. So that's all you're gonna need, guys. Let's jump into it. We're gonna start off by preparing our tortellinis. Right here, I have some water in a pot that's up to boil. I put a little olive oil in it. This keeps it from sticking. And all we're gonna do is add our tortellinis in here. And we're gonna turn our heat down to a simmer, and we're gonna let this simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes until your desired tenderness. So while it does that, we're gonna move over to our cooktop and start preparing our beef. All right, so at our cooktop, we're gonna heat up our olive oil. We're gonna bring that up to temperature. All right, so once that pan heats up, we're gonna go in with our beef. We're gonna hit that with some salt and pepper. We're gonna follow that up with our green bell peppers, our onions. And we're just gonna stir this frequently until that beef is brown and those veggies are tender. It shouldn't take that meat long to cook because it's really thin. We're gonna add the remaining of our salt and pepper here. And that's the remaining of the salt and pepper that we had for our beef and veggies. All right, so we're good. Our beef is brown. We're gonna turn our heat off, or we're gonna pause it. We're gonna sit this mixture aside, and we're gonna begin making our provolone sauce. So now you wanna take a clean pan, and you wanna melt your butter over medium heat. Once that butter melts, you want to add your flour. And you want to whisk this until it makes a nice smooth roux. Once you got it smooth like that, you want to slowly add in your milk, or heavy whipping cream rather. You can use milk also, and slowly so you can avoid making lumps or creating lumps. And we're gonna continue to mix this until the sauce thickens. All right, so once that sauce is thickened, and you can tell when it starts to thicken up, you're gonna go in with your provolone cheese, your oregano, and your salt and pepper. And we're gonna mix this in till the cheese melts fully. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good right here. We got that baby mixed in. The cheese is all melted. We're gonna pause our heat. We're gonna remove this. We're gonna bring back over our steak filling. And guys, what I realized I didn't do was add the garlic while I was sauteing the vegetables, but I did add it. It's in there also along with that oregano. So now we're gonna take our tortellinis. We're gonna add them here to the pan with our steak. We're gonna give this a quick mix. And lastly, of course, we're gonna add our provolone cheese sauce. And of course, we're gonna get this baby tossed around in here. Make sure this is on low heat because you wanna make sure everything is warm. All right, guys, that is it. That's what we have. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this baby plated up and head over to quality control. And guys, there you have it. Philly cheesesteak tortellini. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we do a quick taste test. All right, guys, it's quality control time, man. Let's bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. Man, look at them groceries. Oh man, look at them groceries. Ooh, look at that. Oh man. Ooh, thumbnail, baby. Let's go ahead and try this out. It's already on the fork. Oh man. Oh man. Love that I sliced this beef thin, man. So you can just chew it, you know that. You know what I'm saying? Oh man. That provolone cheese sauce is hitting. Definitely need to try this, guys. So until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. Oh, give me a moment. And I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.